So I was getting ready to do a little video about the fascia workshop that's coming up, and I looked at my shirt and I thought, oh my gosh, I wore a fascia shirt. So can you see how this shirt is like got a whole bunch of little tendrils and they're all kind of connected, and it flows and it stretches and it pulls? It kind of looks like fascia. And one really interesting thing to understand about fascia, you see how mobile this is, right? But when we get old, our fascia is more like this. It doesn't move as easily. And if our fascia is adhered, so let's say my elbow is bent for a long time because it's in a cast, and then it kind of gets stuck like this, and then for me to straighten my arm is like almost impossible, at least for a while, because you can see how the shirt, the tissue here, is holding it back. So that is one way of understanding fascia. And if you join me for our fascia workshop, you'll understand a lot more about fascia and how you can wear your shirt a little bit better.